A blessed day to everyone, and I wanted to greet everyone. This values integration to all values integration teachers and values educations major. I I I would greet you all. Congratulations! Wow, yes. And one of my biggest reflection for my teaching in English. I not in English, but in music. No? One of the teacher Jivin said to me that very good improvement. You did well, and congratulations, Miguel. This really reminds me on something like I am not prepared for because I love to sing. I love to sing church songs. I love to sing different more expect different more music like the Gregorian chants and all that music. But when I was in high school, when we sing an Asian folk songs, when we sing to it, it is really have to reminisce my experiences on that day. And that songs is like ang pipit may pumukol sa pipit sa sanga ng isang dahon. Like, or yung katakatakang mahibang or the arirahira and the sakura and also ang pipit. Ang may pumukol sa pipit yan. That's really reminds me on the teaching field that it is really the passion of the teachers, how we deal to it, and how us values educators give us that challenge to integrate it, to integrate the values education in different disciplines, in various disciplines. This particular uh, subject like music, no, for me it is really good for me to have a music, no, and for other my other classmates they have science, math. I don't want math and I don't want science to teach, no, and I want to teach this. I know this is a divine intervention for me uh because music are really aligned with my interest because I want to sing in the church. I want to sing with other songs, and uh, this particular subject really reminds me that when you are a values educators, you are a specialist. You are now doing to integrate the different subjects. You are really doing how to teach these subjects, how to teach this subject well. And we remind that this subject is for us to lament a different kinds of teaching. How we teach in science, how we teach in music. Me as a music teacher for values integration, I am puzzled and I am tired with this singing a lot, and I want to sing with you all. I want to have an interaction with my students. But yes, expect the unexpected. That is what's teaching for. Expect the unexpected. You are prepared of your lesson plans, and that is your goal to teach what you want to teach to them, what you have the main goal. So yeah, thank you very much, Professor Marty, for guiding me, and to all my classmates who are there supporting me on teaching this field that I am not capable of. And I want most especially thank God for giving me the Holy Spirit to teach music to students and to understand or to teach them to understand how music deals with in Asian folk songs. And and I want to wish you all thank you very much for listening. This is my podcast. So thank you very much for all the hard works and for all the hard works and for all the meaningful interaction with my students and also with my co-teachers and my evaluators. I love to see them in the various field. Thank you very much and God bless.